Hi guys, how you doing? Again, I will be back to my next topic. We will continue our last topic. What I have explained in the last video about the digital marketing, how to start the digital marketing agency step by step. I have explained in last video introduction of the digital marketing and also talk about the and also talk about the fast web hosting and the deep knowledge. But today I will be talking about the next step is it is also important to start a digital marketing agency, that is deep market research. You guys, in any business, first, in order to start any business, you need to research about the market, what's are running, what's are trending about the business. So guys, stick with me till the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Net World. So guys, let's start our topic without wasting the time. Deep market research. You guys, in order to start a digital marketing agency, you must do a deep market research. Because it is very important nowadays. Digital marketing goes trending in online business. There is a huge competition in this field. That's why make sure you check the prices and the plans of your competitor, like monthly and annual prices, what they are charging to the customers of their existing customers, so that you get an idea. And also more, check their features and the products, free trials in some business, in digital, especially in digital marketing or any softwares nowadays online, they will providing a free trials. Some people 15 days or some are 13 days trials. And the most important thing is some agencies ask debit cards for free trials, but in some are not. All things you should know about in digital marketing, because when someone visit your website, if you will ask for your debit card or duration on the free trial. Maybe they have not agreed for that. In that case, in my view, you should provide them at least 8 days or 15 days free trial instead of asking the debit cards from them. In my view, it's up to you how you will do the business. I don't think it's according to you. So guys, in digital marketing, all these things you must be make sure you must be do the deep market research before you start a digital marketing agency. So in last video you already know I have discussed about the introduction of the digital marketing and the deep knowledge and the best web hosting services. But in this video, again I will tell you Bluehost and the Digital Ocean is the best web hosting service providers. About the Digital Ocean, you know guys, what nice about this in this Digital Ocean? You don't have to find the other softwares and services to the other websites. You will find all the features in the Digital Ocean. That's why they will make a name of Digital Ocean. So guys, I hope you understand today's topic, deep market research. You guys, if you didn't get my communication, you can just comment down below. And put your email address or WhatsApp number so that I will directly message you. Or you can email me or WhatsApp me regarding this. If you have doubt regarding digital marketing topic, if you cannot understand, I will ready to help you through my email address and WhatsApp as well. So guys, what do you think about this video? Just comment down below. If you like the video, just hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn the notification for every new update.